Hi guys, my name is April and I upload weekly DIYs on this channel. Sorry, I'm behind a few days. If you've recently subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I recently went to Hobby Lobby. I'm not really sure what people like to see the most, so I wasn't sure what to keep in and what to cut out. If it's too long, just skip forward. And I'm sorry about that if it's too long. This is my first one, so I wasn't really sure what to cut out. Hobby Lobby is about an hour and a half from where I live, and we stopped on the way back home from the Oregon coast, and the car was completely packed. I had literally a lamp, signs, all of the stuff that I bought was covering me, and I had a lot of fun looking at everything, and I'm happy to be able to share with you guys. If any of you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you but you really like their decor, then I'm glad that I got to film for you. So I hope you enjoy. I will see you back here in just a few minutes and I will show you what I got.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. it'd be easy. I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you.
Okay, so as you saw, I only showed you the prices of the things that I was really interested in buying. I didn't buy everything that I looked at the prices of, but I did get a few cute things. The first thing that I got was, I got 4 of these little containers. I got 2 of the green and 2 of the white. I just thought they were really cute. They were 50% off, so $3.99 normally, so I paid $1.99 each, and I just thought I could put little craft items in here, and I love the colors, so those were really cute. I got this little picture frame. Can't tell if it's focusing, but I thought it was really super cute. It's $7.99 full price, and all of the picture frames are 50% off, so I paid half of $7.99. I bought this. I don't know what you call it. I thought it was really beautiful. It's, I guess, just a candle holder, and then I already had this candle, so this is the one that I will put in it for now. I just thought that was so pretty, so that's the next thing that I got. Oops. I bought this sign. It says farm to table, and it was 75% off, and so it was $3.99. And I just love the black and white with the brown wooden frame. Absolutely love it for my kitchen. Oops, keep banging everything around. Then I absolutely love, love, love this sign. It says Farmhouse. It's huge. It would be really cute outside. I'm actually going to set it in my kitchen. It looks really good in there, and so that's what I'm gonna do with it. And last, I bought this beautiful lamp, and it was 50% off. $29.99 is what I think I paid. I wish I had my receipt here, but it has a little thing here to turn it off and on, and it has this top here. I think it's really, really pretty. It kind of has a gold showing through. You probably can't really see it on camera, but it's really pretty in person up close, and I love the way that it turns on and off. So anyway, that was it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know I probably didn't do a wonderful job on filming. I apologize for that, but I still hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you all next week with a new DIY. Bye guys.